Oh, she pitched me. Oh no. Oh no, I'm on the camera. No. I just want to thank some people, you know. I want to thank this girl right here, Savannah, and Alyssa, and I want to thank Brianna Ike. She's not here, but I want to thank her. Yeah, and I want to thank Dora, because she came to save me one day, and Fireman Sam.
Wait, what about Keiko? What about me? Me, Keiko.
And forget Keiko. Hey, you stole my spotlight.
Oh, wow.
Oh, well.
What? Hack on her.
Yeah, I called her Four Eyes. Look, doesn't she look like Four Eyes? She has glasses, she's Four Eyes.
So does she.
Hey, you want to knock on this? Knock on it. Knock on it. No.
Here, you guys.
That was sponsored by the Three Stooges.
Get the camera off. Get the camera off of me. I don't want to be on the camera.
Three Stooges, you know.
No. Show it, and then when you go towards him, I'm gonna end it.
Here, knock on it.
Knock on it, guys.
Here. Knock on this.
Okay. The camera's knocking on it.